Now you can also add text behind you, and to do that you just simply go to text, add text, and let me type share because I want you to share this video. Share. Change the font to something else. Okay, I like this one, so I'll make it bigger. And now you can place it wherever you want. Let me put it here. Next step is to add animation. So we go to animation. I'm going to add this pop-up animation. Yeah, reduce the intensity of it. Reduce the seconds. And then in outro, I'm going to look for another effect. So I like this horizontal close effect for the outro. The next step is to export. Now open a new project. Now open the just edited video. Overlay the video without the text. Make it the full screen. And then you go to BG, remove BG. Auto remove. Text behind person. I can see a problem with the hair. I can fix that by going to remove BG. Go to auto removal. And in brush, use brush to bring back the hair you want. Bring back your hair, or whatever has been removed from the video that you want to bring back. And now I'm going to brush back the hair. I have to reduce this brush size because it's too big. Yes, I think it's okay like this. And that's how it's done. This video contains the tutorial for beginners. So if you want to know about CapCut as a beginner, how to edit, if you don't know the basics of editing, click on this video here. You trust me, it will be really helpful for you. And that's it for this video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okolie. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. Share this video.